Hi everyone. Today we're gonna talk about chemical reactions by me, Fernando Izquierdo. First of all, what is a reaction? What is a chemical reaction? Here it says bonds and atoms are rearranged to form a new compound. Here's an example. Two hydrogens plus oxygen 2, it transformed in a new compound that it's 2H2O. Here's a note that says the compound in the end is different from those in the beginning. The reactants are substances involucrated in the beginning of the reactions, and the products are the substances that result the transformation. Here, for example, here are the reactants, as we can see, and here are the products. For example, here, Cl plus Cl is Cl2, plus H plus H is H2. And here the transformation of all these is 2HCl. In a chemical equation that describes a reaction, the reactants presented by their formulas or symbols are ubicated in the left of an arrow, and after the arrow are written the products equally symbolized. Here we can see some examples. For example, sulfur plus iron, and the transformation is iron sulfate. Here, calcium oxygen plus water, and here it says the transformation CaOH2. Here's another NH3 plus HCl transformed to NH4Cl. And the last one, that is CaO plus SiO2. The transformation is to calcium CiO3. In chemical reactions, we have many types of reactions, but here we're gonna see the most important two type of reactions. Here's the mole reactions that says one of the most important pieces of information in chemical reaction is the mole ratio. Here's a very clear example that says for every 2 moles of H2, here's the 2 of H2 plus, like oxygen has no coefficient, so it's 1. And the transformation is 2, and it says and 2 moles of water are produced. Here we can see the transformation to all these reactants, and here's the product. Now another is the equilibrium reactions, that it says some reactions can proceed in both directions. When the rate of the forward reaction, this arrow to the right, equals the rate of the reverse reaction to the left, then it's an equilibrium. Here we can see another clear example, that is N2 plus 3H2, and here we can see the double arrow, that the double arrow means that indicates in a reaction can proceed in both directions, so that from this way like that way it can be an equilibrium reaction. And we can see that transformed into NH3. So I'm planning to show you examples about what we just talked about chemical reaction. So my first example to show you is mineralized water and sodium bicarbonate. So we put a little of our water and of our sodium bicarbonate. So we apply it, and we can see the change, and we're gonna let our experiment for just a minute and see our results. So we're going to proceed with another experiment that is now it's vinegar and our sodium bicarbonate. We put vinegar in a glass. It's enough. And our sodium bicarbonate. We can see the reaction. And with the I'm here with the other experiment, and we can see the other reaction with the mineralized water and the sodium bicarbonate. So we can see that the sodium bicarbonate it's below and in the bottom of the glass, and the water is just above. And here you saw it, the reaction that explodes. So I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful, and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.